Morning everyone, welcome to today's job. So this is a lovely house with quite a big Indian sandstone patio. They've actually just moved in. These are customers of mine that I've been working for years. So they're having some guests round, I think in a week or two, to have a big party, just as sort of moving in, housewarming thing. So they want me here to sort out their patio for them. It definitely needs a clean anyway. It's a lovely garden. I'm just going to turn you around. I know a lot of you guys from the US like seeing the different gardens we have in the UK. So you're in for a treat on this one. Let me show you. Let me turn you around and show you what I'm talking about. Lovely. What a lovely garden. Okay, so here's the patio. Got a few pots to move. It's just a bit green. Spots. Usual stuff really. The pointing is filled with it's pretty much non-existent. So it definitely needs pointing, but I'm afraid that's not something I can help them with anymore. But it's not really what they're after anyway. They just want it clean, ready for the party. So that's an issue for another day for them, I suppose. Right. So a few more pots to move. Okay, so Paul has already moved loads of the furniture for me. Thank you, Paul. Much appreciated. So lovely patio. Okay, so all around here, and that's the job. So should come up really nice. So I've just noticed there's not any real drainage, so to speak of, no like drainage channels, but it's not a problem because that ground there is lower, so I can just push all the water into there and that'll soak that up, no problem. So that's not an issue. Over here there's not a lot of drainage, in fact there's no drainage again, but there is that bit there, so all the water can be pushed into there. So yeah, not a problem. Didn't really think about this side. Moving on to the water here. Okay, so it can go down there and just into the grass really. As long as I pre-soak the grass and post-soak it, when I put the chemical on, there'll be no issues whatsoever. Okay, let's get cracking. Just gonna roll this. I'm not risking my back. Done. No, that's way too heavy, so I'll just roll that as I work. Right, that's 210 square meters of Indian sandstone pressure washed with a flat surface cleaner. I'm not quite finished. I've obviously got to do the edges. Don't need to do near the grass because I managed to get right up to the edge. Yeah, so it's just these bits here along it. So that's another hour. So that's not bad. 3 hours, clean 210 square meters. Alright, let's turn it on. Let's get the turbo attached and get on with it. Okay, that's taken me just under an hour to rinse and clean the edges. The rinse ain't perfect, but it doesn't need to be. I just need to get it mostly clean so I can get the hypo down. Colours are really popping now. You wait till I put the hypo down and rinse it off, that'll look amazing. So we've got the usual suspects, lots of black spots. I'm optimistic for 99% removal. Yeah, coming up nice. Right, let's get me, just going to get the X-Jet and get this done. X-Jet really does come into its own on the area this size. If I had to brush this, oh my lord, I'd be here for hours, but the X-Jet will get this down within 10 minutes. Love an X-Jet, wouldn't be without one. So yeah, that's had 25 minutes to dwell because I went off to the garage to get some fuel for my machine. And yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm going to rinse this down now. It's almost nearly evaporated, but so yeah, let's do this. Right, job done. That's come up pretty well, I would say, wouldn't you? Look at those colours. It's already starting to dry. Yeah, lovely. Yeah, it's nearly dry here. Black spot pretty much removed. There's the odd dot here and there, but I'd say 99% of it's gone. Looking great. Yes, it's pretty much dry here. Excellent, pleased with that. Right, on to the next one.